gonna take a little alcohol and put it on the rag. Helps get up some of that junk. Just try to go over it lightly and not catch too many pins. You can hear them pipping and popping a little bit. Picking stuff up, pretty good amount. Put a little more alcohol on it. Yeah, it's getting most of it up. Kind of hard to tell in this light, but I think it's. Just got to be careful around those pins. You don't want to push them in or damage them in any way, bend them. So be mindful of that while you're cleaning this stuff. I think we're about done. Maybe over here a little bit. I think we got most of it. Let's see. There. All right, that about does it. It's pretty clean.